and beautiful. So the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's described here as being, he has greed, and he had not only one kind of greed, but three kinds of greed. Sometimes people are greedy for money, and they're greedy for position, and they're greedy for fame. That's similar, position and fame, I guess, similar. Or they have greed for money and greed for so many things. Unlimited types of greed. But here there's three categories of greed, so we'll hear about that, which is quite a peculiar thing. A very amazing thing. Chamatkara vichar. Chamatkara vichar. So what would we call that? Astounding consideration. Shri Radhaya pranaya mahima kidrisho vanayeva swadyo yenadbhuta madurima kidrisho va madhiya sokyam chasyad madanubhavata kidrisham veti lobat Tadbhava dya samajjani shachigarva sindo harindu. Desiring, lobha means desire, but it really means intense desire, it means greed. Greedy or desiring to understand the glory of Radharani's love, and greedy and desiring to understand the wonderful qualities in him that Radharani alone relishes through her love, and greedy to understand and experience the happiness she feels when she realizes the sweetness of his love, the Supreme Lord Hari, endowed with her emotions, appeared from the womb of Srimati Shachi Devi as the moon appeared from the ocean. Hari Indu. Indu means a ray of moonlight. It's called an Indu. We have one Sakhi, one of the Ashta Sakhis is called Induleka. She's like a line of the moon. She's very whitish. Her complexion is whitish gold. Golden, but like the moon. Golden moon. So, Shachi Garba Sindo Harindu. Harindu. Samajani. He took birth. So with her bhav, tadbhava adya, beginning with her richly endowed adya and bhava, with Radha Bhav. So Krishna took Radha Bhav. So this verse is explaining how this verse is expressing the different types of greed that the Lord had. And these are the internal reasons. There's the bahir karana and antar karana. The external causes or external reasons. Externally, why did Krishna come? Why does any avatar come or descend to this world? And that's explained in Gita. And that's very common, famous verses. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. And says, the next verse is about the sadhus. To paritranaya saranam vinashaya chudiskrisham dharma samstarpanartaya sambhavami juge juge. Yuga after yuga, time after time, millennium after millennium, the Supreme Lord comes, Dasavatar, as Nrsimha, Matsya, Buddha, Ram, or Buddha, Ram. All the different avatars, he descends into this world, Parasaram, and he comes to protect the devotees and to annihilate the miscreants and to re-establish the principles of religion. Dharmasya glani. Glani means break, severing or breaking. The Dharma becomes yada yada hi dharmasya. Dharmasya glani, or so the dharmasya glani. When Dharma becomes upset or upturned or neglected or destroyed or diluted to an abominable state, then the Lord comes to put it back on track. So that's external reason.